There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby cigars back.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. I got something cool to show you. Actually, I got multiple things. I'll show them all at once. This is some weird Hercules patent multi-tool. It's cool as shit, actually. Apparently there's supposed to be a knife blade in here, but I guess the knife blade disappeared. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It comes apart like so. It's got like numbers and shit on it. It's got like a little hatchet blade. From what I was told online, it's pretty much one of those fancy multi-tools that has all kinds of gadgets on it, but really it does nothing. So it's pretty cool. I paid like, I don't know, 10 bucks for it. It's made in Germany. See, Germany, made in Germany. Lots of germs. Just kidding. Germany. The little thingamabobber here, it's got a piece broken off. So I was wondering, like, maybe I can tack weld it, and then I'll clean it off and maybe gun blue the whole thing again. I don't know. That's pretty cool. I found these little BX cutter and stripper by Wiss. It's an old Wiss. I didn't even know. I didn't even get a chance to look at these. First time I got a close-up look at them, but it says Wiss on that side. You can see it. And there's a little thing that says BX cutter and stripper. I don't know if you could read that. You can see it. It's pretty cool though. They have like, I don't know, I picked these up because they have a nice like feel to them. I mean, I don't know if they cut anything. Let's see. Yeah, they still work. Of course, I probably should be cutting wires, but they cut little pieces of galvanized steel. Pretty good. They're thin gauge. So I thought those were nice, and then I also got, where is it? I found another one of these. I keep finding these. The, what is it? The B&S, Hartford, Connecticut. Little round things. Yeah, round things. Adjustable wrenches. For a while, I've never seen these things ever. Like, I'd always see a regular, you know, scrappy rusted Crescent wrenches like this stupid thing, which is still fused in there. I've yet to heat it up, but I'd never see these things in good shape. Like, I'd see them rusted to pieces, and before I never thought like, I'll buy an old rusty thing and throw it in vapor rust. I didn't even have vapor rust. I didn't know what the hell it was. And then they just start popping up in a few antique places, and I was like, $4, $5, pfft, I'll take them all. The funny part is I actually use Crescent wrenches quite a bit. I use it on my welding machine all the time. When I change a gas bottle, I keep one there. I use all kinds of stuff. I mean, who doesn't use a Crescent wrench? I could have swore I had something else to show you. Or it was. Oh, and I picked up, yeah. I bought a pair of 6-inch locking pliers, C-clamp pliers, right? I didn't realize the measurements meant 6 inches this way. It's the ones I've been buying are 6-inch. 6-inch, like, you know, the clamp part. There's a grip-on one I bought, and I also picked up a Strong Hand Tools one. This one's pretty cool. I'm going to do a review because I think I own every brand of these now. I'm probably missing a few, but I'm going to do a review on these. But just to say something, man, that's a nice, smooth, like, shiny, glossy finish there. I'm pretty sure they're made in China. Wait, let's check. Strong Hand Tools by Veltra Inc. Engineered in the USA, manufactured in China. So basically, Chinese piece of shit made in China. I think they were 20 bucks on Amazon. The only thing I really don't like about pliers like this, and it's my pet peeve, maybe the thing fell out here, I don't know, is that I don't like these little plastic tips. And I guess you can put a rod in here and bolt and try to kill this thing, but they look like they're made pretty good. So far, my thing is most of these things are, like, cheap ones are actually made pretty good. I mean, if you're just burning them up in your welder, they're not bad. So anyway, that's enough of that. Like, subscribe, and check the people below, and enjoy. Adios, amigos.